Squiggle birds. At the start of a group creative session, it is often important to help people ease their inhibitions and build a bit of creative self-confidence. People's creativity is often held back because they think they can't draw. Squiggle birds is a very simple exercise which is remarkably good at loosening up those internal tensions and putting a smile on proceedings. It is mainly intended to show how easily anyone can draw to represent an idea. In the process, it helps dissipate self-doubt and switches on curiosity. This works with any number of people. In fact, the more, the merrier. Ask everyone to take a plain sheet of paper and draw some roundish squiggles on the page. Make them different sizes, vary their shape. About a dozen or so squiggles is great. Next, show them how they can transform the squiggles into birds. A triangle for a beak, a dot for an eye, two simple bird feet, and another triangle for a tail. It's quite captivating and entertaining as you explore how each little bird comes to life. Now, giving them 5 minutes, ask everyone to fill out their squiggle birds and get them to share their creations with the group.